Page number 6, exercise 1-1. Question number 7. Let A is equal to the set of all natural numbers less than 8. B is equal to the set of all prime numbers less than 8. C is equal to the set of even prime number. Verify that. First one, A intersection B cross C is equal to A cross C intersection B cross C. Second one, A cross B minus C is equal to A cross B minus A cross C. Here, first we have to find the elements of given sets A, B and C. Here, the elements are not given directly. Therefore, we have to find the elements of A first. A is equal to, here what is A? The set of all natural numbers. Set of all natural numbers means we know that first natural number is 1, then 2, 3, etc. Less than 8. Therefore, we can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to 7. Since less than 8 is given, therefore up to 7 can be taken. Then B. What is B? B is the set of all prime numbers. Set of all prime numbers less than 8. We know that first prime number is 2. Therefore, we can take 2, 3, 5, 7, etc. But less than 8 is given. Therefore, we can write 2, 3, 5, 7 up to 7. Therefore, B is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. These are the prime numbers less than 8. Then C. C is equal to the set of even prime number. We know that first prime number is 2. 2 is the only even prime number. Other prime numbers are odd numbers. Therefore, C is equal to set 2. We can take C is equal to set 2. Then first one. First take LHS. Here LHS is A intersection B cross C. Therefore, in first one LHS is equal to A intersection B cross C. First find A intersection B. A intersection B is equal to, intersection means we know that take common elements between first set and second set. Here first set is A, second is B. Take common elements between A and B. We will get A intersection B. Here common elements are 1 is not common, 2 is common, 3 is common, 5 is common and 7 is common. Therefore, we can take 2, 3, 5 and 7 as common. We will get A intersection B. 2, 3, 5, 7. Then find out the whole LHS. A intersection B cross C. A intersection B cross C is equal to, first write the set A intersection B. Here A intersection B is 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, 3, 5, 7. Then put this cross. Then write the set C. C is the set 2. Then take cross product. Do as the previous problem in exercise 1-1. We will get this set. This is nothing but set of these ordered pairs. Then put equation number 1. Since here LHS is over, then take RHS. What is RHS in equation number 1? This is the RHS. Then we can take RHS is equal to this. Then RHS is equal to A cross C intersection B cross C. First find A cross C. A cross C is equal to, first substitute the set A, then put this cross, then substitute the set C. Then take cross product. We will get this set. Do as the previous problems in exercise 1.1. Then find out B cross C. B cross C. B cross C is equal to, what is B? B is this set. Then put this cross. Then write the set C. Then take cross product. We will get this set. Then find out the whole RHS. A cross C intersection B cross C. A cross C intersection B cross C. Intersection means we know that take common elements between first set and the second set. Here first set is A cross C, second set is B cross C. A cross C is this set. This is A cross C. B cross C is this set. Take common elements from first one and the second one. Here 1, 2 is first element. 1, 2 is not common since here there is no 1, 2. Then second one 2, 2. 2, 2 is common since here 2, 2 is there. Therefore that 2, 2 can be taken. Then next 3, 2. 3, 2 is common, that can be taken. Then next 4, 2. 4, 2 is not common, it cannot be taken. Next 5, 2. 5, 2 is common, it can be taken. Next 6, 2. It is not common. Then last 7, 2. It is common. It is common, that can be taken here. Then put equation number 2. Then compare first equation and the second equation. In first equation, this is the set. In second equation, this set is there. Therefore, here first set and the second set are equal. Therefore, we can write from 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS. What is LHS? A intersection B cross C is equal to A cross C intersection B cross C. Now it is verified. Therefore, we can write verification. Then second question. Take LHS first. What is LHS in second one? A cross B minus C. That can be taken here. LHS is equal to A cross B minus C. First find B minus C. B minus C. First write the set B. 2, 3, 5, 7. Then put this minus sign. Then write C. C is 2. The set 2. Then find out B minus C. How will you find minus? Here common factor should be cancelled. Then take balance elements in first set. Here first set is B, second set is C. First cancel the common elements or subtract this 2, this 2. That means cancelled. This 2 and this 2. It is common here. Therefore, we can cancel 2 and 2. Then take balance elements. 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7. The set 3, 5, 7 is the set B minus C. Then find out the whole LHS. A cross B minus C. A cross B minus C. First write the set A. A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then put cross. Then write this set B minus C. 3, 5, 7. Then take cross product. Do as the previous problems in exercise 1.1. We get this set. Then put equation number 1. Since here LHS is over, therefore we can take as equation number 1. Then write RHS. What is RHS in second problem? This is the RHS. Therefore, RHS is equal to A cross B minus A cross C. RHS is equal to A cross B minus A cross C. First find A cross B. A cross B. First write the set A, then put cross, then write the set B, then take cross product. Do as the previous problems in exercise 1.1. We will get this set. Then find out A cross C. A cross C is equal to this set. It is already found out in question number 1. Therefore, we can take directly. Then find out the whole RHS. A cross B minus A cross C. A cross B minus A cross C. Here we have to find the difference. First set, difference, second set. How will you find this difference? First, take first set, A cross B. This is A cross B. Second set is A cross C. This is second set. First, cancel the common elements. Here 1, 2, 1, 2 is common. They can be cancelled. Then 2, 2, 2, 2 cancel since they are common. Then 3, 2, 3, 2 can be cancelled. Then 4, 2, 4, 2 can be cancelled. Then 5, 2, 5, 2 cancel. Then 6, 2, here 6, 2, 6, 2 cancelled. Then last 7, 2, 7, 2 cancel. Then take balance elements of first set. Here 1, 3 can be taken. 1, 2, 1, 2 cancel. Therefore 1, 3 can be taken. Then 1, 5, 1, 7, 2, 2 cannot be taken. It is cancelled. Then 2, 3, then 2, 5, 2, 7, 2, 7, 3, 3 can be taken. 3, 5 can be taken. 4, 2, 4, 2 cancelled. We cannot take. Then 4, 3, then 4, 5, 4, 7 can be taken. Then 5, 3, 5, 5, 5, 7, 6, 2 cannot be taken. It is cancelled. Then 6, 3 can be taken. Then 6, 5, 6, 7. Then 7, 3, 7, 5, last 7, 7 can be taken. That means balance elements should be taken from first set after the cancellation. We will get this set. Then put equation number 2 since here RHS is over. Then compare first equation and the second equation. Here first equation is, in first equation this is first set. In second equation this is the second set. Compare these two sets. They are equal. They are equal. Therefore, we can write from 1 and 2 LHS is equal to RHS. That is A cross B minus C is equal to A cross B minus A cross C. It is verified. That is verification.